Namaste and welcome all to Sanyukta Yoga. Today we have with us Bhavani Swaminathan, renowned nutritionist. Um, Today we can all say that we are in safe hands because her motto is home cooked meal is labor of love. Her prime aim is to spread the word on the magic of one's own kitchen can create. She believes in mindful eating and can help you lead a healthy and happy life. Uh, Without saying much, ma'am, please start. And everybody is very excited to listen to you, and they already have so many questions.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
thank you.
namaste and welcome all of you. And thank you so much, Sayukta Yoga, Aruna ji and Ruchi ji for giving me this opportunity to talk on this platform and wishing all the participants and Aruna ji, all of you a very happy new year, happy Pongal, happy Makar Sankranti. So सब कुछ हो गया है लेकिन फिर भी सब नया नया ताजा ताजा है. So thanks for this nice introduction, Aruna ji. So when I got to see this topic, food for thought, so that was something very interesting. And thoda sa, because in the beginning of the year, and we all have gone through, a lot of difficulties and challenges in 2020. So 2021 has to be more healthy and happy. So we should be taking care of our health properly. But before that, the topic of food for thought. This is quite interesting. I was just thinking, how to put this across because this is a very subtle thing. And when we talk about food and carbohydrates and proteins and fats, so people are usually, have quite a lot of knowledge because of the, whatever, magazines and lot of health magazines, YouTube channels and all. When you see just so now, like, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. Am I right? You have heard this, right? Jaisa Ann, Vaisa Man.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Now, this is something we need to, go deeper into it because food is not something just we are eating and getting the amount of energy and that's it finished. In spite of having, good food, but still people are suffering from some or the other health issues, right? From overweight, obesity, to diabetes, then cardiovascular diseases. Lot of things are associated with food because we have forgotten the right way to consume food. Okay. So when we talk about this food for thought, so whenever first thing I would like to start with, as Aruna ji said, people are quite excited. I don't know after the session, kitna wo excitement barkarar rahega, pata nahi. But then I would like to ask, few questions because I don't know this is why I can't see everyone. So just let me know, unmute yourself, one or two of you, and let me know the wrong things which we are doing. So I'll list down some of the things which you let me know whether you are following it in that way or not. Okay. Number one is eating and drinking together in the sense water आप पी रहे हो with eating by eating your food. How many of you do this?
Yes, I do sometimes.
Okay. No, Aruna ji asked them to just thumbs up so that we can, get a count, like, maximum people are saying yes or no, or maybe in the comment section if they can put.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. So the
okay.
comment box is open. So everybody, if you can, just type
Mm,
in the comment box,
yes.
it will be great.
Yes. So the questions which I'm asking, just you put Y or N. Yes, Y, no, N. So first question was, do you drink water while eating your food? Okay, quickly. Yes, no. Okay. So a little faster. I just got one. Okay. So the next question is, okay, sometimes no. Okay, fine. Yes, we are getting a couple of answers, right? Okay. Now the second question is, do you, when you get up in the morning, do you drink water? Now the third question is, okay, yes, a lot of people are saying yes. Okay, fine, good, sometimes, fine. Now the third question is, do you eat fruits after having food, your lunch and dinner or breakfast? Do you have the habit of eating fruits after having your food? Okay. And the last question is, do you eat food, any kind of food after say 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. So yeah, I got some of the answers, and I feel that, Arunaji, this group who has joined this session today, they are more or less quite health conscious. So a lot of correct answers they have given. So the reason why I started with these questions is to understand that there are a lot of mistakes which we do when we come to eating. Okay, the first mistake is generally we have this habit of drinking water while we are eating food. So those who have said sometimes, or those who have mentioned yes, please make a note that we should not be ideally drinking water when we are eating food. So commonly this is a mistake done by a lot of people, because पानी का ग्लास टेबल पे रहता है, so खाते खाते हम लोगों को पानी पीने की आदत होती है. So we need to make sure that it should not be done together. The reasons why I'll tell you. Second mistake which is done is, eating fruits after having food. That is again a common mistake which some of the people they do. So food khane ke baad mein we should not be eating fruits. That's the second thing. Third one, when you get up in the morning, I asked this question that how many of you drink water? Maximum people have said yes, they drink water, which is a very good habit. Now, coming on to these points, let me give a simple explanation. Number one, when we drink water in the morning, it is up to, it depends on person to person. Like, every individual is unique. So in Ayurveda, it is said that we cannot fix, saying that we are going to drink just 4 glasses of water or 2 liters of water. That can't be done. So it depends from person to person. Suppose if I can drink 1 liter of water in the morning, so Arunaji might be able to drink maybe 2 glasses of water. That's perfectly fine. So drinking water is, essential, but do not drink too much, which your body cannot accept, or do not dehydrate yourself. That's one important point. Secondly, while eating food, why we should not drink water, let us understand this concept. The reason is, when we are eating food, the digestive fire starts burning. In Ayurveda, it is called as Jathar Agni. Okay, so what happens is, when this digestive fire, that is a Jathar Agni, starts burning, food which we are eating, that gets easily digested. But if we start drinking water, okay, while eating food, we know that water and fire both are not good friends. They do not get along with each other. So जैसे ही आप खाना खाते खाते वो जठर अग्नि जैसे जलने लगेगी, and if you drink water, वो बुझ जाएगा, and your digestion process will become slower. And once the food is not digested, that means the food is not going to get assimilated in your body. And if the assimilation is not done, which means you are not going to get proper nutrients, you're not going to supply proper nutrients to your body. This is a very simple, in a layman's language, to understand that इतना भी अच्छा फूड आप खरीद के खा रहे हैं, लेकिन उस फूड को if you are not able to digest, which means that is absolutely waste in the body, and that starts creating toxins in the body. And because of these toxins, we find that we land up in some or the other health problem. ये health problem शुरुआत में बहुत छोटी सी चीज से शुरू होता है, by acidity, gastric problem. These are the common ailments, which we always neglect. That leads to constipation, and उससे शुरू होता है lot of big diseases. You can name it, diabetes, or cardiovascular diseases, or cancer. Even cancer उस stage तक पहुंच जाता है. So the thing started with a very small issue that you could not digest the food, and food digest नहीं होने के कारण टॉक्सिन्स जमा हुआ, एंड टॉक्सिन्स की वजह से हेडेक से लेकर के बहुत सारी बीमारियां आई. So this thing I would request, people, either Aruna ji or the participants, please mute yourself, and when you want to ask questions, you can just unmute yourself. Okay. So this is something which this is a very simple logic, which I am not saying. This is mentioned in the 5,000 years old Ayurveda textbook itself, that this is called as Dincharya, wherein the daily life, how we have to lead our daily life, right from, getting up in the morning, doing exercises, eating food, and all these things. So we are today only talking about the food part. So these are the common mistakes which we are doing, and we need to rectify these mistakes so that we lead a better and healthier lives. The ultimate goal is, whatever we are earning to get those luxury or the comfort which we want. And if that earning, if you're spending more than half or half of your earning on medical treatments, then what is the use of those earning? So सबसे important चीज है, अपने health का ध्यान रखना बहुत बहुत जरूरी है. वो health का ध्यान आप maximum you can take care of your health only by eating the right diet. Remember this concept of 80-20, where 80% diet plays and 20% exercise plays. So you cannot say that I love doing exercises, I do a lot of exercises, but okay, I can't, keep a check on my diet or food. So that is not going to help you. So make sure that what you are eating, that is very, very important. And that's the reason आप जितनी अच्छी चीजें खाओगे उतना अच्छा आपके बॉडी को न्यूट्रिएंट सप्लाई होगा and उतना अच्छा आप फील करोगे. So this is the golden rule, like you eat good, you feel good. वो feel good कब होगा? Only when the food is getting digested and उसके बाद में वो सारे nutrients आपके body को मिलते हैं. Okay. Now, moving on to the next part, the question comes, okay, then how do we drink water and how much to drink water? Because you will find that where nowadays we are loaded with a lot of information, YouTube is there, Google is there, magazines are there. After this pandemic, we are getting so many e-magazines, e-paper, and everywhere, and people have become more health conscious, after this lockdown, because all of us, we want to take care of ourselves. Okay. So, ये वाला काढ़ा बनाया, वो चाय पी लिया, so ये सारी चीजें चल रही है, so that we are, and since immunity is the key word, now we are trying to boost our immunity in different ways. And now we have understood that the Indian kitchen has got everything which will be helping to boost our immunity. तो जब हम फूड की बात करते हैं, पानी, why we should not drink water, I said, while eating food. So the alternatives, because every problem has to have some solution. So we have the solution over here, that if you're used to drinking water, because some of you have said, no, if you're not used to drinking water while eating food, that's the best thing. You need not worry about it then. But if you have this habit of drinking water, then immediately you should stop this. Now, there are people who say that without drinking water, I cannot eat my food. अब वो कैसे करेंगे? ऐसे लोगों का क्या कर सकते हैं? So in this case, make sure that you're having, some juice for your breakfast. That should be a fresh juice, because we are completely, more inclined towards those convenience food. And let me come to those convenience food later. But then first thing is, make sure that you're having some fresh homemade juice. It takes just 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. Now during winter, so many good vegetables and seasonal vegetables and fruits are available. You can just cut it, add little water and put it in the blender. Just it takes 1 minute. You churn it, strain it. The complete juice process takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Even आपके पास फुर्सत नहीं है, बड़ा काट के आपने अगर ब्लेंडर में डाल दिया, so वो जूस बन जाता है. उसको 2 से 3 मिनट लगते हैं. So when you're having your breakfast, you can have juice or fresh juice along with it. When you are having lunch, you can go for the easiest option, that is buttermilk. And in Indian homes, buttermilk are easily available. So buttermilk, if you want, you can add little salt or black pepper or something like that. You can have it. The only problem for those who have the habit of drinking water at night, they will face after the dinner, because after the dinner, while having dinner, we can neither have juice nor buttermilk. So evening में ये दोनों चीजें नहीं लेनी है. So you have to eat your food, give a break of 15 minutes, and then you can have a glass of warm milk. So this is one golden rule which all of us who are looking for really good health in 2021. So please make sure that you're following this golden rule. The second golden rule is how much the quantity of water. Okay, so the quantity of water as I said, depends from person to person. So it is totally up to you. जितना आप पी सकते हैं उतना पिएंगे, जबरदस्ती drink. And those who do not have the habit of drinking water at all, because there are people who get dehydrated, who forget, who never realize that I have to drink water. For those people, you can keep an alarm. That's what I tell people, that you can keep an alarm, and every 1 hour keep bottle with me to show it to all of you. Like, you know, usually we have this, now I'm having bottle या glass जब होता है तो गटागट पीने की, we have this, we are used to this. I'll show you water and then we gulp it. So make sure that this should not be done. You have to drink water sip by sip, the way a bird drinks water. कभी आपने चिड़िया को देखा होगा वो कैसे थोड़ा 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 करके पानी पीता है, and that's the reason I always believe that our ancestors were too smart, but they did not have any scientific reason to explain to us, and we didn't understand. इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि पानी को खाने की तरह खाओ, खाने को पानी की तरह पियो. A lot of you might have heard, this phrase. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि food को you have to chew so many times that it gets mixed with the saliva very nicely, and when it enters the esophagus and then it goes to the intestine, and there the food gets digested properly. Now, if you just consciously, start thinking, how do we eat? We actually gulp the food. 4 से 5 बार भी we do not bite the food, we do not chew the food. When you start this consciously, today itself after the lunch you do this, you check this, how many times you chew one piece of food. तो आप देखोगे 5 से 6 से ज्यादा बार होता नहीं है. So ideally it is mentioned that it is said that it has to be done 32 times. So you will be frightened to listen कि एक पीस खाना 32 times हम किस तरह से चबा सकते हैं. अगर आपने वो हैबिट डाली, so that means you will never ever get any type of disease in your lifetime. You are going to be healthy all through your life. But then, working conditions are like this in today's time. We cannot sit, 1 hour on dining table because we have got too much to do. And especially after this, lockdown, this online things are happening, work from home, work for home. ये सारी चीजें एक तरह से मुश्किल हो जाती है. But then there has to be, certain things which we have to follow to take care of our health. And that is, the thing is, आप 32 times मत करो, at least 12 to 13 times you chew the food rather than just gulping the food in, और 2 से 3 बाइट में पूरा का पूरा food पेट के अंदर चला गया, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So consciously, see, all these things are, basic things. Only thing is we have forgotten to do all these things. So consciously, if you start chewing the food, you'll find the digestion is better. And I always, repeatedly, I'll be saying this, if your digestive system is good, that means you are not going to land up in any kind of trouble. Okay. So moving on to the next part, food तो हो गया कि कितने बार चबाना है, पानी कितना पीना है, पानी कैसे पीना है, सारी चीजों के बारे में एक छोटा सा डिस्कशन हो गया. This is going to start practicing this. This is going to take you to a better, एक आपको एक, you on your own you will understand the difference. Okay. Next, let us come to the convenience food, because all of us, we are very used to getting everything झटपट. Google जाते हैं, Google में कुछ search करना है, तो immediately the Google will give you answer, whatever you want. You want some recipe, immediately you go to YouTube channel, you get those, recipe or anything you are looking for. So everything we want it very fast. So convenience की जब बात आती है, घर पे बैठे बैठे तो बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. लॉकडाउन में भी कुछ बंद नहीं हुआ था, खाली फोन करना था, एटलीस्ट आपके गेट पे सामान आ जाता था. सो कन्वीनियंस के चक्कर में फूड ऑल्सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ कन्वीनियंस फूड. नाउ आई विल आस्क यू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. People who are used to having breads for their breakfast. Okay, so if you can anyways, I do not okay, no problem, do not put it on the chat box, but then that's a
Bhavani, I was having, but now I stopped completely bread.
Okay, that's
After listening to you, I've stopped bread, biscuits, everything.
very good, Nitya. That's a big thing. But people for I am new for a lot of people in this group. So they might not be knowing me. So it's not that, don't think that I'm against bread or something, or maybe against some, such kind of fast food. But the thing is, bread is not, even though, you get multigrain bread, you get wheat bread, lot of different types of breads are available. Okay. But then that bread is not going to give you any type of energy. Though you will find that calorie wise, carbohydrate, protein, whatever is there, you will find everything on the list where which is mentioned on the cover. But bread is not suitable for Indian climatic condition. If you see, there are a lot of things we have adapted from West, and I'm not saying that that is something wrong, because technology is also something we have, achieved. Lot of things we have learned from West, but there are certain things which, especially when it comes to lifestyle and food, it is something that you have to stick to our own, food and lifestyle. The reason is, see, the junk food, maybe pizza, burger, 2 minutes Maggie, whatever you say. Okay. Now these things are at, once in a while, if you're having, that's fine. But if you make it a regular, thing, like I always think about the younger generation. Actually, मुझे बुरा लगता है उन लोगों के लिए, because they do not understand. One of the college sessions which I was taking, so the students asked me, ma'am, let us know which is the healthiest junk food. So I was wondering how a junk food can be healthy, because हमने junk तो नाम दिया है, junk क्यों नाम दिया है? क्योंकि उसमें सारी चीजें, see, even if you make chapati at home and if you are, adding some vegetables on top of it, and you are making a roll kind of thing and giving it to the child or family members, that is supposed to be a healthy one. But the same kind is something, pizza is also very similar to it. It's a kind of base and you're adding some vegetable toppings and all those things are there. But then why it becomes a kind of, villain? The reason is the base itself is wrong, because maida is used, which is refined flour is used, which is again an unhealthy option. And on top of it, along with the vegetables are good, but vegetables के साथ साथ में toppings में और बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. Added, salt, butter, cheese, lot of things are there, which are not, a kind of, which is not good. Okay. Good and not good in the sense, once in a while, that's fine. But if you start making it a regular habit, that's what I was saying. Bread has become a part of our life because it is very easy. Morning में bread वाला आता है, he says it's fresh bread. Okay, we agree, fresh bread, we bought it. Two days or max to max 3 days. कभी कोई लोग 3 दिन रख लेते हैं फ्रिज में, and it becomes easier because one day you make sandwich and you say, I've made a very healthy sandwich because I've added cucumber and tomatoes and all these stuff to it. Another way, we are toasting it and we are saying, okay, chalo, aaj thoda sa jo hadbadi hai uske upar jam laga liya. But the base itself, I'm saying, is not healthy. So make sure that you are, to some extent, throwing out that bread from your breakfast rather than go for healthier options. In our country, we have so many breakfast, कितने हर एक रीजन में अलग अलग तरीके के ब्रेकफास्ट बनते हैं, but people who are really really tied up with lot of work, where they feel, because yeah, slowly this cooking itself is becoming, शायद हो जाएगा आगे जा करके like your kind of alien concept where people will not know how to cook because of so many things, इतना conveniently हमें मिल जाता है सारी चीजें. Slowly we are forgetting those things, and that's the reason why we are landing up with all these health issues. And a very common name which is given is lifestyle disorder. So lifestyle disorder एक ऐसी छोटी सी चीज है, मतलब it has to be, हमें खुद अपने आप से अपने लाइफस्टाइल को बदलने की कोशिश करना पड़ेगा. उस लाइफस्टाइल में eating proper food, eating freshly cooked food. So I was saying, people who are really very busy, मतलब ऐसा हो जाता है कि like, I have to, open my laptop, or I have to go to the office 3 or 4 times a week. No other alternative for them, I can understand. लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा, if you start thinking, mindfully and intelligently, you can take out time and do certain things for yourself. Okay. Ultimately, why we are working so hard to earn that money, वो फैमिली मेंबर्स को खुश रखे, अपने आप को खुश रखे, बट आप अपने आप को खुश तभी रख पाओगे जब आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी है। हेल्थ अगर बिगड़ने लग जाए तो फिर आप कभी भी खुश नहीं रह पाओगे। एंड हेल्थ को अच्छा रखने के लिए ओनली थिंग इज एज आई केप्ट ऑन टेलिंग यू फूड। सो आप फूड में क्या खा सकते हैं, आई सेड फ्रेश आप कुक्ड फूड खा लें। Breads, so please avoid breads because breads are not suitable for our Indian climate, and especially bread is something where we are, उसको बेक करके उसमें यीस्ट डाल के बना रहे हैं, सो इट इज दो फ्रेश बोला जाता है बट इट इज नॉट फ्रेश। हाँ, इफ यू आर लिविंग आउटसाइड इंडिया जहाँ पे which is not possible for them to make, in this, especially in this cold weather, कि चपाती बना रहे हैं, राइस बना रहे हैं, वो डिफिकल्ट होता है फॉर देम। इट इज समथिंग दे हैव टू हैव द फूड लाइक दैट, बट अपने पास अपने जोग्राफिकल कंडीशन के हिसाब से we do not require those things. So make sure you're having very healthy food for your lunch, dinner, and breakfast. So breakfast में lot of options are there, right from idli, dosa, dhokla to poha to upma to there are many more things. If you do not get time, उस easy चीजें हम लोग करने की कोशिश करते हैं, and at the same time let us take care of our health also. If you feel you do not have absolutely no time, so रात में you make chapatis extra. That extra chapati next day you can have it with some achar or with some gur. और इससे भी ज्यादा वो गुड़ भी नहीं निकालना है डब्बे में से, अचार भी नहीं निकालना है, इसको और इजी करना है तो जस्ट आप एक बोल में रोटी के पीसेस डाल के यू ऐड लिटिल मिल्क टू इट। आई बिलीव मी, जस्ट ऑन द पीसेस ऑफ दिस add little milk but no sugar, you have this is an excellent breakfast। आपको लगेगा अजीब सा है टेस्ट करके, बट एनीवेज दैट कॉर्नफ्लेक्स एंड ऑल वी ईट, वो भी तो पानी में दूध में डालने के बाद नरम हो जाता है। कॉर्नफ्लेक्स इज प्रोसेस्ड थिंग व्हिच वी आर हैविंग, दिस इज अ वेरी नेचुरल फूड, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक फॉर पीपल एंड प्लस इट हैज गॉट लॉट ऑफ हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स। आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, रोटी के पीसेस, रात में बनी जो रोटी थी just उसके पीस बना के put it in a bowl, add little warm milk to it, you have as it is. This is an excellent thing for good health, to maintain good health. Whenever you feel that you are not able to cook food, cook breakfast early in the morning, this can be done. Another option is, अगर लगता है चपाती भी नहीं बची है रात की, आप क्या करें ब्रेकफास्ट में, क्या करें, द बेस्ट थिंग इज यू ईट फ्रूट्स। यू कैन ईट बनाना, बिकॉज बनाना को लेकर के बहुत सारे मिथ है, बनाना इज फैटनिंग, बना दिस विल हैपन, दैट विल हैपन, नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन। बनाना इज अ फ्रूट which is available all through the year, so you just take banana, 2 bananas are enough for a good breakfast, you can say। You can have this soaked doodh wala chapati, or you can go for banana, or you can go for any seasonal fruit, like now you can go for apple, some oranges if you have in the morning, you will the stomach itna bhara hua nahi rahega, so there is no point in taking oranges। So these are some options you can go for your breakfast। And if you have just 2 minutes, and you want to make something, the best option is make smoothies। There are a lot of smoothie recipes available on YouTube channel, very good smoothies you can make, especially during this winter season। यहाँ इतने सारे तरह के smoothies are बना, they are thick, shake kind of thing, but we are not going to add extra sugar or something to it, just the natural smoothie, a bada glass if you have, that is sufficient for your breakfast। Okay, so this you have to think on your own। जब टाइम मिल रहा है तो you are preparing fresh breakfast, when you are not getting time, when you're overworked, go for fruits, go for smoothies। So this we are going to do for the breakfast। Now mid morning, that means around 11 to 12, 11 to 11:30, 12, that time again we have a little थोड़ी सी भूख लगने लगती है, so that time rather than having a cup of tea or coffee at that time, you can go for some fruits or maybe nuts। हम लोग दिवाली में ना जब गिफ्ट आता है तो those nuts इतना सारा भर के रखा रहता है, वो कभी काम ही नहीं आता है लोगों के। So please start using the nuts and seeds like almonds, pistachios, cashews, all these things। cashews को लेकर भी बहुत myth है, cashews are fattening, so cashews are very good for brain। आपकी मेमोरी पावर स्ट्रॉन्ग करनी है तो आमंड कैश्यूज का एक कॉम्बिनेशन यू कैन हैव। सो ऑल दीज नट्स एंड सनफ्लावर सीड्स, फ्लैक्स सीड्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स बस या तो you can soak it in water, soft हो जाएगा, आप वो खा सकते हैं, क्या आप ऐसे ही उसको चबा के खा सकते हैं. So around 11:30, make the habit of having either fruit or such kind of nuts. Then before 1 o'clock, say around 1 o'clock, lunch time हो जाता है. So lunch के लिए you can have a good amount of salad, simple salad, just kakdi, beetroot, onion. If you are non-gen, these things you can add and you can eat it. And then uske baad mein you start with your regular food. It can be dal, sabzi, roti, chawal, whatever you are preparing at home. So that ideally should get over by 1 o'clock. And then say around 4:30, a regular tea or coffee, whatever you feel like, you can have that. Then evening time may you have a good amount of some good food, because evening is where we are very hungry, and that's the time we start eating vada pav or samosas or chips or something, those kind of stuff. So avoid those. Go for some kurmura, bhel, and this kind of what you call those things. I'm not getting the word. जो एक तो पीनट्स होता है, उसको आप थोड़ा सा रोस्ट करके खा सकते हैं. There are certain things. और मे बी कुछ नहीं मिला तो one more time you can make smoothie. और if you feel कुछ चटपटा खाने का मन हो रहा है इवनिंग में, so if morning का अगर पराठा या चपाती कुछ रह गया है, तो again you can have it with especially for people who are going to office, because office में क्या मिलेगा, again you get those samosas and vada pav only. So to avoid that, you can keep extra chapatis or parathas with you, where you can have it with achar. That's a very good option, because people feel वापस कौन शाम को रोटी खाएगा लंच वाली चीज करके, but it is far better than you are going for these vada pav and all those things. So have that. And dinner, make sure that by 8:30 or 8 o'clock you finish your dinner. So this is just a general kind of a daily routine which I shared with you, which is going to help you if you start uh, uh, eating your food in this way. And before I take up some questions, just one more thing to add. जैसे मैंने कहा शुरू में, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. अगर आप खुश होकर के कुछ भी बनाएंगे, so वो naturally, maybe I don't know how many of you will understand this concept, especially people who are into meditation and who know this concept, they will understand this. There is something called as food and vibration. तो जितनी अच्छी एनर्जी आप फूड में देंगे, उतना वो फूड, it's not always about the ingredients which you are putting in the food. You are using lot of expensive ingredients, but आप food बिना मन के बना रहे हैं, जबरदस्ती बना रहे हैं, तो फिर that you are not going to give that good energy to that food which you are going to prepare. I'll give a very small example here. When a mother cooks for her child, okay, and say chapati बना रही है मम्मी, and she has done everything, she has switched off the आटा भी जो बचा हुआ था, she has put it inside the refrigerator, everything is done. After this, the son or the daughter, the child asks, I want to have one more chapati. So in this case, what happens, the mother will be very super happy, saying that, okay, my child wants one more chapati. She'll again, take out everything and she'll make that chapati for her child. But the same thing, when a child asks the cook, okay, the cook will get so irritated. वो बना तो देगी, लेकिन मन ही मन सोचेगी कि अरे अभी इसको पूछना था, मुझे दूसरे घर में जाके काम करना है, मुझे अभी तो आज के दिन इसको एक्स्ट्रा रोटी खानी थी क्या. There are so many thoughts coming in the mind, and those vibrations the person will be transmitting it in the food which he is going to serve. Okay, though this is something, it's very subtle thing, I don't know, but then this is also equally important to understand. Only just having good food in front of you and eating that good food is not enough. We have to supply that good energy to the food, so that जब हम वो food खाते हैं, हमें भी वो अच्छी energy मिलती है, plus जो बाकी के लोग खा रहे हैं उनको भी हम एक अच्छी energy देते हैं. तो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है, ये हमें ध्यान में रखना. So if you have any questions, let me know.
I have. I want to ask something. Masala oats you get, na? So can we have that?
I have never made masala oats, so I won't be able to cover, but
Hmm.
it is available, I know.
Yes,
That's okay. I'm going to cook it, right?
yeah.
So anything which is not happening in just 2 minutes, like noodle,
Hmm.
so all those things are healthier.
Okay.
Rupali Udeshi is asking, I'm struggling with weight loss, struggling to reduce weight. Any tips to start the process?
Yeah, the whole process are suffering with this weight loss, you know, they think कि सब बहुत कुछ कर लिया लेकिन weight बिल्कुल lose नहीं हो रहा है. For them, most important thing is you have to eat food in a very disciplined way. And especially in a very disciplined way, in the sense timings are very, very important, because if you are not leading a disciplined life, you know, that means you have timings जो है, you have to keep it very fixed. Say for example, breakfast is 9 a.m., lunch is 1 p.m., evening snack is say 5:30, and dinner is 8 o'clock. So these timings, as per your convenience, but this is the kind of general timing. ये timing आपको fixed रखना बहुत जरूरी है ये. You add 15 to 20 minutes here and there is fine, but then उससे अगर ज़्यादा आप करते हैं, so then you will find कि weight reduction में problem होती है. Secondly, there are lot of aspects when it comes to when you say that I'm not able to shed my weight. तो ये एक आ जाता है. Second thing is what type of food you are eating. Okay, what type of food, in the sense whether you are really making fresh food and you are eating, or you are eating more of convenience food or junk food. Third is, if you are saying I'm preparing a fresh food and eating, then comes what oil you are using, how much of sugar you are using, you know, the how you are cooking. So there are a lot of aspects to it, because generally ऐसे होता है कि कहीं ना कहीं कुछ गलती हम लोगों से होती है, उस गलती क्या, वो गलती हमें समझ में आती नहीं है, और फिर हम समझ नहीं पाते कि क्यों वेट नहीं कम हो रहा है. Okay, Veena ji, is there any other question?
Yeah. Preeti Shingare is asking, any specific quantity or portion of food needs to be for lunch or dinner?
Okay. Now, Preeti, there is when we talk about the portion size of the food, it totally depends from person to person. As I said, every individual is unique. Okay, and in Ayurveda, we call this as Prakriti. That is the constitution of a person. It can be, a person can be Vata, Pitta, and Kapha Prakriti. So, for example, you know, Vata person will need lot of, you know, food. Small intervals where he has to eat food. Whereas Pitta person might not require so much of food. Kapha person का अलग होता है. So this is, you know, totally, because when we talk about the general nutrition, where actually I have also studied the same thing in my college life, where we are always taught, ठीक है, height इतनी है, तो weight के हिसाब से you take so much calorie, you take so much protein, you take so much carbohydrate. But that actually does not work, because every individual is different. So you have to just understand how much you have to eat, and that can be done only when you are eating mindfully or consciously. So आप phone and television, ये सब चीजों को side में रख के, if you start chewing the food, definitely I'll tell you, Preeti, if you are used to having 3 chapatis, you will not be able to eat more than 1 chapati. The reason is because इतना जब हम chew करने लगते हैं, एक तो psychologically we get a signal that our stomach is, you know, satisfied, and mentally also we are satisfied. Secondly, एक fear आ जाता है कि oh my god, इतने ज्यादा टाइम के लिए मैं बैठी हूँ टेबल पे, you know. So वो चीजें होती है. So there is no special, you know, limit कि एक खाना है, 2 खाना है, 1 कटोरी राइस खानी है, ऐसा नहीं है. It varies from person to person. Veena ji, is there any?
No, nothing else is there. They
Okay.
can unmute and ask, please.
Yes. If anyone has any question, please unmute, and you can go ahead with the question.
Bhavani,
Yeah.
what about the soups we are getting from the market? DMart, I can see different types of soups kept there. So is it okay?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay. Okay.
Not, because these
Because-
soup are again ready to make soup.
Yeah.
Current comes and time se bolta hai, not
Trans fat.
Okay.
and more
Yeah.
sodium content, preservatives are there.
Yes,
So
yes.
these are- आसानी से हो जाता है. So
Okay.
remember
I
that fasting condition is not
because
for us.
sometimes I feel so lazy to cook, no, अकेले के लिए, तो मैं वो रेडीमेड पैकेट बना के खत्म कर देती हूँ.
So this is again we are inviting trouble only. So rather not at all recommended.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, the class is too silent because I remember last time twice Sayukta Yoga had invited me, and in every session, there were so many questions that the time was getting over and people were bombarding with questions. Today, no questions. So I'm surprised.
There were a few questions. I don't know. I cannot see those people. They had asked me on my personal chat, but I
Okay.
think
Because some of the questions, like Veena ji has already mentioned.
Yeah. Yes,
comment
yes.
box.
Bhavani, Shubhangi here.
Okay, hello
What
Shubhangi.
what is happening? We know most of the things. Most
Uh-huh.
of the things we know they are good for us. But when it is actually coming to the putting it into practice, we do it for a few days. Then slowly something more important comes in or something, and then we totally forget about it till we again listen to Bhavani, and then it starts. So
Okay. So, okay. So coming to your thing, Shubhangi ji, you are absolutely right. I'll give you my own example. Okay. कहीं ज़्यादा दूर जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं, खुद का ही मैं example देती हूँ. So I have a little problem in the sense my feet is one, my right feet is not kind of, there is some issue. Issue in the sense, like I can run everything, but only thing is barefoot I cannot do anything. I can't even walk fast barefoot. So there is always I wear shoes or some footwear. So I went to when the checkup and everything was done. So it's a minor thing. It will get rectified in a year or so if done sincerely. One is wearing a proper footwear which the physiotherapist has given. Secondly, she said you have to do exercises. And for a person like me, as it is, I do a lot of exercises, and those exercises were very simple. Only wo pair ka, feet ka, thoda sa, and it hardly takes not even 10 minutes, 7 minutes में सारे exercises हो जाते हैं. So I was initially very excited, extra मेरे को exercise करने को मिल रहा है. So I started doing the exercises, and then थोड़ा नवरात्रि आया तो थोड़ा सा shortcut हुआ. फिर दिवाली आया थोड़ा कम हुआ. So दिवाली के बाद में completely I stopped. What you said, Shubhangi ji, like there are more important things come, and we generally forget. So then I forgot, and then actually कॉन्शियसली याद था करना है, पर वो ऐसे हो गया नहीं कर करके फिर अल्टीमेटली इट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ एक्चुअली एक लेजीनेस भी आ गया, चलो कोई बात नहीं. एंड व्हेन द पेन अगेन स्टार्टेड आई रियलाइज्ड ओके पेन आ गया है, दैट मींस आई हैव टू बी अगेन सिंसियर. सो सेम थिंग व्हेन आई से समथिंग एंड people start following the rules for some days and then they forget, and then कभी ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ अगर मैं नहीं भी हूं तो कुछ ना कुछ बॉडी साइंस दिखाएगा कि कुछ गलत हो रहा है अपने साथ. देन यू थिंक ऑफ मी एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग. बट आई अंडरस्टैंड वी ऑल एवरीबडी नीड्स अ पुश. वो एक चाहिए रहता है पीछे से धक्का मार के आगे लेने का, लेकिन एक है ना अंदर से वो जोश लाना पड़ता है कि आई हैव टू रियली टेक केयर ऑफ माय हेल्थ. तब वो आ जाता है. आई होप आई हैव आंसर्ड.
Yes, thank you. And one more question, if I have time, I'll ask later. Now,
Some Vibhali is asking, is it okay to boil vegetables and drink a soup before lunch or dinner?
Before dinner, this is fine, but not before lunch.
Why?
The reason is because the lunch is something, the pitta time is high in the afternoon, and whatever you are eating, that will get digested easily. But in the evening time, while we are having dinner, that is the time for bath. So if you have more food, then you will not be able to digest that food, then acidity, gastric problem होते हैं. So हमेशा जो soup होता है, it is always best to have with the dinner, because अगर आप soup dinner में पी लेते हैं, so naturally the quantity of food which you are going to eat, that will be less. And हमेशा ये बात हम लोगों ने सुना है कि रात को हल्का खाना चाहिए, so automatically the food gets digested. लेकिन afternoon में it is not required, because even if you have puris, bhaturas and everything for your lunch and breakfast, the food will easily get digested one reason is because पित्त जो है हाई है, डाइजेस्टिव फायर हाई है, और सारा दिन हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ काम में लगे रहेंगे. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू रेस्ट और वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्लीप. बट डिनर के बाद में हम लोग सो जाते हैं थोड़े टाइम के बाद में, तो डाइजेशन में प्रॉब्लम होती है. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन व्हाई वी शुड बी टेकिंग सूप्स फॉर द डिनर टाइम.
Yeah, somebody's asking, you talked about breads, but some of the diabetic people get sugar level low. Is it good to eat?
Sugar level low means what? Again, can you please repeat the question?
Can she unmute and talk? Rita Vyas.
मेरे हस्बैंड को शुगर लेवल ब्रेड खाने से कम आता है, तो इज इट गुड और नॉट?
मतलब ब्रेड खाने से आप बोल रहे हो कि उनका जब डायबिटीज चेकअप कराते तो शुगर लेवल नॉर्मल या कम दिखाता है?
he does every day morning test for himself. तो जब भी सैंडविचेस या ब्रेड का कुछ भी खाया है वो दिन मॉर्निंग में उसका कम आता है.
मतलब वो ऑलरेडी डायबिटिक है?
या
अच्छा, ओके. सो इसके ब्रेड की वजह से आई डोंट थिंक, यस, ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स लेस होता होगा जो आप ब्रेड खरीद रहे हैं. बट अगर आपको अगर नेचुरली अगर अपना शुगर लेवल कंट्रोल में या चेक में या नॉर्मल रखना है, तो अपने बहुत सारी इंडियन चीजें हैं, या कितने सारे तरह के मिलेट्स है, राइट फ्रॉम ज्वार, बाजरा, रागी, कितने ओके, बार्ली, ये सारी चीजें हैं.
वो
और
मैं
एक अपनी
सब ट्राई करती हूँ, लेकिन उसमें उसका लेवल में जो फर्क है वो ब्रेड में ज्यादा है.
I don't agree to this, or maybe you check with your diabetologist. आप पूछ के देखो, क्योंकि कनेक्शन बिल्कुल नहीं है इसका ब्रेड के साथ में. एंड ब्रेड इज, आप रोज रोज अगर आप ब्रेड खा रहे हैं क्योंकि शुगर लेवल बराबर दिखा रहा है, सो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ आगे चल के देयर माइट बी चांसेस ऑफ समथिंग, कुछ और होने के चांसेस हो सकते हैं. बट इट इज नॉट at all. I don't understand any relation between these two.
Yeah, the multigrain bread is also not good. Brown bread.
Multigrain bread, brown bread, wheat bread. See, all the things. One is, honestly speaking, you tell me, when the multigrain bread when we are having, or brown bread जो भी होता है, first चीज तो है bread को bake किया जाता है. Okay, without baking it cannot happen. Secondly, yeast is added. Thirdly, some amount of baking soda is added. Okay, so when we are adding yeast, उसको ferment करने के लिए जबरदस्ती we are adding yeast. Secondly, baking soda is compulsory component in that. Baking soda means it is going to be high in sodium. Thirdly, baking, when we talk about Ayurveda nutrition, तो उसमें लिस्ट दी गई है कि सबसे बेस्ट वे ऑफ कुकिंग कौन सा है, धीरे धीरे करके सबसे लास्ट में कौन सा है. सो अल्टीमेटली जो माइक्रोवेव वाला कुकिंग एंड द बेकरी प्रोडक्ट्स जो है, इन सबको लिस्ट में एकदम लास्ट में डाला है, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन इट. आपको पैकेट में यू विल फाइंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू रिटन, बट बेसिकली इट इज कॉल्ड एज डेड फूड. Honestly speaking, it is called as dead food because it does. See, when we talk about Ayurveda nutrition, so it is said every food has to be live. मतलब लाइव का मतलब होता है वो फूड में कुछ जान होनी चाहिए, जिसको खा के हमें जान मिलेगी, हमारे बॉडी को एनर्जी मिलेगी. So जैसे when you are eating fruits, those are considered as live food. When you are eating sprouts, those are considered as live food. आप सैलेड खाते हैं, लाइव फूड. बट जैसे हम फूड को थोड़ा थोड़ा कुक करने लगते हैं, तो उसका जो न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू है वो धीरे धीरे कम होने लगता है. Any cooked food, when you eat, all are eating cooked food, whether it be fresh poha, idli or dosa, all are cooked. ठीक है, to some extent they are good. लेकिन जैसे बहुत ज्यादा जब कुकिंग हो जाता है, in case of baking is you're heating it to a certain temperature. ठीक है, तो that's actually called as a dead food.
Okay. Thank you. It was nice. A nice explanation. Very good.
Yes, Bhavani. I will ask. Now, this
Yes,
is not exactly, but this is what a practical problem I am facing. We have grown up our children in the way. Now it is the wrong way. लेकिन शाम को आप घर में रात को बहुत अच्छा खाना खाओ, heavy खाओ, and all that. Now these children in 30, 35 age के जो young parents है, उनको उनके बच्चों के लिए भी वो हमारी जो स्टाइल है, what they have learned from their वही use continue कर रहे हैं, and we know it is wrong, but like those, so how do we help them to help change those habits which they were doing, but at least the third generation should not be continuing with that. यानी बहुत अच्छा खाना रात को खाना चाहिए, हेवी चिकन वो और सो वो तो क्योंकि हमारे टाइम पे क्या था कि बच्चे बाहर जाते थे, रात को आते थे, एक ही खाना अच्छी तरह से खाओ, बट नाउ वी नो इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. लेकिन वो कंसेप्ट का अवेयरनेस कैसे करें? वी हैव डन इट फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, दैट इज ओके, बट अल्टीमेटली एंड देन यू फील फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि अरे बाबा हमको मालूम है, इनको भी मालूम है, ये नहीं कर रहे, वही गलती कर रहे जो हमने की है. So is there any suggestion from your side?
Yeah, yes, in this now what happens is अभी जो period था, बीच में जो एक phase था, से जो हम जब अगर बात करते ना, if we go back to late 80s and 90s वाला जो period था, so wherein lot of western influence बहुत हो गया था हम लोग के culture में, especially food और ये सब लेकर के, जो धीरे धीरे अभी बहुत बढ़ने लग गया है. Okay, अभी 30-35 वाले जो पेरेंट्स है who are having younger kids, शुभांगी जी, you are wanting to know कि वो गलती जो कर रहे हैं रात को ज्यादा खा के या चिकन खा के, उनके बच्चे भी वही सीखेंगे और आप चाहते हैं कि वो ऐसा ना करे, यही आपका सवाल है ना?
Right.
हाँ, तो अभी ऐसे होता है शुभांगी जी, like nowadays people are becoming little smarter, especially जो आप 30-35 वाला जो एज ग्रुप बोल रहे हैं, वो थोड़ी सी स्मार्ट इसलिए हो गई है बिकॉज जो हार्ट डिजीज या जो टाइप 2 डिजीज या जो भी लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज जो एक टाइम में आफ्टर 50-55 लोगों को आता था 60 क्रॉस करने के बाद में, वो अभी 30s में आना शुरू हो गया है. Okay, and nowadays you'll find whether we are loaded with information, as I said, तो ये सारी चीजें हमें information मिल रही है. Now इतनी सारी information मिलने के बाद में the person has to decide how I am going to lead my life, because as a parent you cannot force them. and ऐसा हो जाता है कि बच्चे पेरेंट्स से ज्यादा समझदार होते हैं, ज्यादा knowledgeable होते हैं, they do not want to listen to their parents also. And न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज है, अकेले रहते हैं या अब्रॉड रहते हैं, तो नेचुरली वो एक चेंज हो जाता है ना. यहाँ पे उस पर्सन की अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है to take care of himself or herself, and then only that take care of the family. Though ये it is, I can understand we are saying this is not related to the topic which we are discussing, but ये एक problem है आज के दिन में जो लोगों को अपने आप ही समझना पड़ेगा कि किस तरह से मैं अगर ठीक रहूं तो मैं अपने फैमिली को ठीक रख सकती हूँ. We cannot force anyone. You are getting understand, Shubhangi ji? We can't force anyone.
True. Thank you.
Bhavani ji, there's one question from Vibhali.
Yeah.
She says that as you said, it is good to have kurmura or bhel in between meals. If you feel hungry, even after eating food after 1 hour, क्या करना है? If you feel
Even
hungry.
Okay, even if you're hungry, even after having food, 1 hour के बाद भी if you are feeling hungry, that means you have not eaten food properly. Okay, that's the thing. Because अगर food आप ध्यान से, that's the reason I said, हम सोच समझ के अगर food खाते हैं, it is not about the quantity. उसको सामने food अच्छा वाला बना के जो रखा है, उसको consciously खा रहे हैं, उसको chew कर रहे हैं, हाथ में फोन नहीं है, सामने टीवी नहीं है, ध्यान सारा फोन में है, so you will not feel hungry at all after 1 hour. आप भले ही आपकी पसंद की चीज ना खाएं, लेकिन फिर भी आपका पेट भरा रहेगा. ओके, हो नहीं सकता है ये. So and if you are feeling hungry after 1 hour, that means you are not eating food properly. लंच के बाद में, स्पेशली लंच या डिनर के बाद में आप 3-4 घंटे भूख लगने की चांस ही नहीं है. That means there is something going wrong.
Ma'am, Bhavani ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you explain the baking answer you gave some time back? If you can just explain again.
See, baking is an art and as well as science, it is said. Okay, and actually baking करने में मेहनत लगता है to get that end product. Okay, जितना भी अच्छा वो product हो baking वाला, but that baking, the baked thing is not healthy for us. Why it is not healthy? The reason is we are adding baking powder, baking soda, yeast, and then we are going to bake it in a certain particular degree for say some minutes and all. So ultimately, when the food is cooked in this way, that is not going. If all the nutrients are lost from that food, it is very very tasty, no doubt. Breads are tasty, biscuits are tasty, then your cakes and pastries are tasty, all are tasty, but there is no nutrition at all in those food. Okay, what I tried to explain was food has to be live when we are eating it. I am not saying as per the Ayurveda nutrition, it is said whatever we are eating, it has to be a live food. Live food matlab prana. In Sanskrit we call it as prana. So prana apne body mein jitna jayega, we get more energy. So that prana can enter our body only through food. If we are eating correct food, then only we get that energy. So when we are eating fruits, raw vegetables in the form of salad or some juice, it's absolutely raw juice, some nuts and seeds or sprouts, all these are high pranic food. So we are, those live food we are putting inside our body, which is giving energy. Now, once we start cooking the food, it can be any food, right from the Indian food, dosa, idli, poha, chapati se lekar ke, all these food which we are eating the cooked food. So mainly what is happening, the prana is getting lost in that process, and especially when we are cooking the vegetables, all the nutritive values are lost. Okay, and that's the reason why we need to have a combination of raw food as well as cooked food. But if we are used to having more of these kind of bakery product, so in baking, ultimately everything is lost. It is just a tasty food which is there in front of you. You are eating it and you are supplying your body with empty calories. Empty calories matlab usme kuch bhi nahi hai. It is just going to add on to your weight and it is going to give you taste, but basically no nutrition it is providing. And that's the reason in Ayurveda the baked food come the list at the very end. It is included and it is called as dead food. I hope the explanation was clear for you.
Yes, yeah, perfectly okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So I think Arunaji, most of the questions are answered, and I, from my side, whatever, and because too much of information in one go also becomes little difficult to take, and it becomes boring. So whatever I thought, and I tried to explain. So I think this was fine. I hope
Yes.
and questions were also answered. So I hope people like the session, or whatever the feedback, let me know.
Yes. In fact, I would want to give a feedback to all the participants. I have known Bhavani ji for past 6 months, I can say, and I've been under her guidance. And the small things, the little things that she says are actually more important than the bigger things that exist. Like today, how she spoke about water. Generally, people overdo. I am associated with this group of health freaks, and they will like, today we need to drink 3 liters, 4 liters, but somehow, and I got that clarification from Bhavani ma'am that no, drink as you require, just the way you're eating as you require, you drink as you require, and it should not be a target, it should not be a competition. Just like how people go for the Surya Namaskar competitions, it should not be that. You should do only what your body allows you to do. So Bhavani ji has been an excellent guide and a good counselor also, because she keeps, because I was, I have no this thing to say that I am not somebody who is very particular on eating timings, but then she has been grilling it down, and somehow at least some timings are getting settled in my mind and in my routine. due to which small changes, but they are good, and they will remain for a lifetime. I think those changes are the most important changes.
Actually, I used to feel bad whenever I used to, tell Aruna, time to khao, like it was like teacher, always scolding the kid. ऐसे हो जाता था.
So she has been really excellent and brilliant in these, and also the mudras that she gives along with the diet. I think they also help a lot. So all in all, she's a good package. that is my testimony. So thank you so much, Bhavani ji. Time and again you always come. Whenever we call you, and this has been a wonderful, wonderful session. And we hope for many more such sessions, where people can really, really get to know. Otherwise, following YouTubes and following Instagrams and following all these channels, it is so confusing, because one will say the
Yes.
opposite of the other, and then you want to do everything that everyone wants to say,
Yes,
which is a lot of confusion. Yes, at least for a person like me it is. I'm sure everybody must be feeling that. But it's good to have a constant guide who can really tell you that what you're doing is right, but you just need to make small changes. So thanks a lot.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Thank you, participants.
Yeah, thank you, participants, for being there.
Yeah, yeah.
No,
So,
and like we will just inform you about many more sessions we're going to have with ma'am. Maybe we'll take a different topic next time. Yeah, and it'll be very, very
And
helpful.
actually, I was overjoyed to hear Veena ji, Shubhangi ji, and Nitya ji's voice, because they are people whom I know from a very long time.
Yes.
And it's a sudden surprise for me that they are attending this session. So more or less,
No,
I
good to get reminded. No, again, like Shubhangi says, we wouldn't forget then to follow.
So thank you so much. Thanks a lot, all of you, all the
Thanks a lot.
participants. Wish you all a very happy new year, healthy new year, and please take care of your health. कभी भी याद रखो, पैसे जो कमा रहे हैं वो medications पे नहीं देना है. वो rather than we can have fun doing something else. Okay. Thanks a lot. Wishing you all a very happy new year.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah,
Namaste.
bye.
Namaste.